How to recover hacked Facebook account without email and phone number and claim your account back. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you are using the same device as you used during logging into your Facebook account, because that becomes easier for Google to track as well. After that, just go to Google, or you can just go to Google Chrome and search for Facebook account hacked. So it will lead you to the Facebook Help Center, which is the very first option. So just tap on that. And after tapping on that, it will lead you to this page where you can see that if you think that your Facebook account is using with your permission, just you can just tap on get started. You can see different options over here as well. So you can just tap on get started. Now, so here you can see how to get help with a hacked account. So you just have to answer a few questions and they'll help you find the right solution. So if you think that your account was hacked, we can help you recover it. Firstly, can you tell us what's happening? So you just have to tell someone else gain access to my account. Okay, so what you have to do is just log out of the account that you're currently using and visit the link below. So just tap on this option over here and you just have to type and enter your mobile number and then tap on search, or you can search by your email address or the name instead, and it will provide you with different instructions to follow and it will help you get your account back. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.